In today's video, we are painting cars.
Hello YouTube watchers and makers, this is your art buddy Vasu, and this painting video is specially dedicated to the young artists. Yes, we are painting on these wooden toy cars, and I'm going to show how to make these wooden toy cars exciting and colorful. So let's do this without wasting any time. Alright guys, so what I'm doing, I'm taking the tape, I'm sticking it right behind the tire and taping the rest of the car, but exposing the tire. Ooh. You can tear it when you feel there's less space to maneuver it. Alright guys, first thing we will wear some gloves. Gloves are easily available because of this thing. Alright, so take the bigger brush and paint all over the tires. Alright guys, after this we will use the blow dryer to dry the tires of our toy cars really quickly. If you don't have a blow dryer, then don't worry, let it air dry for extra few minutes, and it will it's acrylic paint, it dries really quickly, so you can let it air dry as well as dry it with the blow dryer. Blow dryer for quicker results, air dry to chill out with more. Now guys, I will tape the tire of the car. Alright guys, after taping the tires, we will paint the body of our car. I'm using purple. This one I'm gonna do yellow. Same brush I'm using, it's a bigger brush. Again guys, I will use a blow dryer to dry my car. If you don't have a blow dryer, you can let it air dry. Now we will peel off the tape from the tires. A small brush, and then create 2 dots on the front of our car with white. And then I'm gonna hold the car from the top, from this little knob here, and then take white and put a white dot right in the middle of the tire to give a tire rim detail. Let it air dry for a few minutes. Alright, take the small brush, blue, and let's put a blue dot in the eye. We will take other colors. With other colors, we will start decorating all around the body of the car. Like in this case, I'm just adding dots, a little heart on the side, and on the pink one, I made a bunch of flowers. Let's use a marker, like a Sharpie pen, and give them expressions. Eyelashes. I'm going to take small brush, red, put some redness in the lips. Angry girl.
Oh no!
She's looking angry too. Angry looking girl car. Red for the lips. So he's like a dark car, so I'll do his mouth with white. Alright guys, this is the final result. Hope you guys had a good time watching how to paint the toy cars and making characters out of them. You can order a complete toy car kit from www.lapiturastudio.com, and you can follow us on Instagram. Now let's say goodbye until the next video. Take care. Sayonara. Ciao.